Hi everyone, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. The best tip for weight loss in 7 days. The first, we should start our day with warm water, and every half an hour we should drink half glass of water that help to clear toxins from your body. Instead of starting your day with tea and coffee that can create constipation and acidity, we should start with warm water. Second, exercises. Exercises help to increase blood circulation. Movement is very important. So 30 minutes every day we should spare for exercises. Third, sleep. Sleep is also very important. If possible, 6 to 7 hours sleep, quality of sleep. And I'm going to teach you in exercises how we can get better sleep also. Fourth, meditation. Meditation is very important. Living in the present moment is always good. Yoga makes us to live in a present moment. And fifth, pranayama, breathing exercises. Your mind and body is connected with your breath. Breathing will help you to expand your age. So we are going to start today with meditation, Om meditation. Sit in Sukhasana. Be comfortable, close your eyes, relax yourself. Deep inhalation, exhale, inhale, exhale. Let us chant Om. We'll spread love, happiness, peace, serenity with Om. Inhale. Very relaxing meditation. Om is a beautiful mantra. Combine this 3-word properly. A, U, Ma. It brings more clarity and positivity in our life. Now pranayama, breathing exercises. Like 80% toxins clear with breathing exercises. So we'll do Kapalbhati. Keep your hand like this. Inhale. Guys, we should also do one thing after 5, no refined sugar and salt. No junk foods, no oily food. Now let's do simple Vajrasana. This is excellent asana for digestion. 7 days you are going to do this asana. Very good, you are going to see amazing result. So sit on your heels properly. Inhale. Expand your chest. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, slowly come forward. Now let's do simple exercises that everyone can do. Yoga you can start at the age of 4 and we can do it. 8 to 80, 4 to 120, anyone can do yoga. Now let's do simple exercises. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Muscles coordination with proper breathing. We should use our muscle, otherwise we are going to lose it. So let's do the best with yoga. Now we are going to do Naukasana. This is also amazing asana for weight loss. Bend your legs properly and stretch it. Now let's do the last asana, excellent asana for weight loss. We should do this asana before food, before your meal, 10 minutes before. This helps to activate your pancreas. Sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, however you're comfortable. Interlock your hand close to your navel. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Very slowly come forward, exhale forcefully. Let's do mindfulness pose. Amazing pose for sleep. Hold here. Swipe it gently. Close your eyes. With index finger, rotate your eyeball. Reverse. So how are you feeling now? Hope you liked the video. Do share and subscribe. Thank you.